Crohn's disease doesn't just attack the gut, it steals moments of life. Pain, fatigue, and flare-ups that appear without warning. For many, even surgery feels like the only way forward. But what if the key to healing was already in something as simple as oxygen? Crohn's disease is a chronic condition where the digestive tract becomes inflamed, making it hard for the body to absorb nutrients and heal properly. Crohn's is driven by constant inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, leaving tissues starved of oxygen. And without enough oxygen, the body struggles to heal, so the symptoms just keep coming back. That's why researchers have studied hyperbaric oxygen therapy, where patients breathe pure oxygen inside a pressurized chamber that can reach deep into inflamed tissue. According to a 2025 study in healthcare, HBOT significantly reduced the Crohn's disease activity index. HBOT doesn't just reduce inflammation, it supports mucosal healing, lowers oxidative stress, and helps close painful fistulas and abscesses. For surgical patients, it even speeds up recovery and reduced complications. It's important to note, HBOT is not a complete cure for Crohn's disease, but research suggests it can be a powerful, supportive therapy that helps the body repair and manage symptoms more effectively. At Oxygen Health Systems, we make HBOT accessible nationwide. If you or your patients are living with Crohn's disease, don't wait. Visit OxygenHealthSystems.com and book your free consultation today.